Hello friends, in today's topic we will discuss how to register for the Talent certification exam. So Talent provides you different types of certifications, that is Talent Data Integration, Talent Big Data, Talent TAC, Data Catalog, Cloud Certification and the API services. And for each of the certification you need to have the different courses covered before taking the exam. If you're going for the data integration, you should have the basic knowledge about the data integration basics and the advanced concepts. Similarly, if you're going for the big data, you should have the knowledge of Spark Batch and Spark Streaming. And for API services, you should have the knowledge of ESB basics, Data Mapper and Cloud API services. So now let's see some of the exam topics for the talent data integration and big data. If you're going for the integration certificate, you need to have the basic knowledge about creating jobs, using components and applying some of the best practices, and how to create the metadata and repository, working with the different kind of data sources using tmap and tjoin, then how to create the documentation for jobs and using SVN connections, then running the job remotely. So these are the concepts which you need to cover before taking the certification for data integration. And for big data, you should have knowledge about HBase, Scoop, Hive, Hadoop and Spark. So you can go through each of these concepts before taking the big data certifications. And if you see, the number of questions is around 60, approximately 60 questions for each of the certifications exams, and the time would be around 70 minutes, and all the questions would be around multiple choice. So where you have one question has 4 different options. The first 30 questions will have only one right answer, and the remaining 30 will have multiple right answers. So you will be given a question and you will have multiple options. In that, one or more than one answer will be the right one. And now let's see how to register for the certification. So you need to open the link provided here, www.webassessor.com. So if you open this link, here you can see create new account. So once you click on the create new account, it will ask you certain details, username which you want to use for further login, and you need to create your passwords, and you can give your first name, last name. Here we have an option called company email address. This you can give your Gmail address for further communications. You can fill all those details and click on save. So once you click on save, you'll be getting a mail to your registered email ID. From there you need to reset the password. Once you reset the password, you need to log in from this website. So once you log in, you have an option like you'll get this page with multiple tabs. There in the third tab, click for register for an exam. So once you click on that, you'll get different online exams like Big Data version 7 certified developer and API services certified developer and data integration. So select the exam which you are going to take, click on buy now. This is similar to how you take the product from Flipkart and Amazon. So just click on buy now and just make the payment. After that, you need to select the date on when you are going to take the examination. So select the date from the calendar and also select the time slot, so when you are going to take the exam. So once you are done, then go to my assessments. Before you take the online assessment, you need to do some of the prerequisites. So click on install Sentinel. From here, it will be an exe file. You just need to download and make sure that your system is compliant for taking the exam. And also you need to create the biometric profile. When you do it for the first time, in step 2 it shows launch. For me already created, so it's not showing up. For you, it will ask you to create the biometric profile. There you need to create your profile with signature. So once that is done, it will show the scheduled exam. For example, if you are registered for the big data certification, it will show you the scheduled details on the exam name which you are registered, the date scheduled and the date registered and the other details. And here we have a launch option. So for example, if you are registered for 8 o'clock and around 7:50 you can open this website, you'll be provided a link for the certification. So just click on launch. It will redirect you to the examination page. So once you clear the examination, you can see the result here and the examination name and the result. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, friends.